right, so we have some low resistance liquidity on NQ on the 4-hour time frame. Come back to the 4 on this one as well. You can see that we have SMT right here at these lows. NQ is dumping, and ES is not moving. Have SMT right here. These lows do seem like they're a lot easier to get to. Just from overall direction and where we're at right now. There's nothing on ES other than this hourly fair value gap right here. So you see we took out London lows right there, took out London lows, made this SMT. ES isn't going anywhere. Also have these highs right there, and then we have Asia highs. For NQ, have right there and right there. This is just a really strong SMT right here. There's no real place for ES to go because we have nothing really to the left of this other than this fair value gap. Already made this SMT, NQ starting to see some retracements here. Seems like we're gonna make a 5-minute fair value gap right here on NQ and on ES. Maybe not on ES, but definitely on NQ. And then we're gonna see how we react off of that 5-minute. Just to keep in mind that we have this SMT right there. And we have Asia highs. So about all this low resistance liquidity on the 15-minute. So I have these highs right there. And there's just one thing to note, that we did take out previous day low. We did take out previous day low, so previous day high would be here, and then we took out previous day high or previous day low on the NQ as well. So previous day high would also be right there. So it'd be nice to see how we react off of this right here, to see how we want to play this. ES is already about to inverse this right here. Just have 4 minutes left on that candle. Respecting bullish order flow. If we come down to 1 minute, we can see that NQ already inversed this 1 minute right here, and then tapped into this fair value gap after we inverse, respected bullish order flow. ES is pushing. didn't tap into this fair value gap. We never tap into any fair value gaps during New York session. Like, we always have inefficient price action, but nevertheless, we're still ripping above these highs and stuff like that. So we could enter after we inverse this. So ES already took out that objective right there. What's this? So ES already took out pre-market highs. ES took out pre-market highs. NQ seems like it's starting to reject this 5 minute right here a little bit. Let's see how we play this. If ES wanted to just come up and sweep these highs and then go lower, we have this fair value gap right here. Let's see if we respect this fair value gap. Like I said, ES already inversed this 5 minute right here. NQ is within this 5 minute as well. So we're starting to inverse this right here. ES swept out pre-market high. There is a SMT right here. Starting to reject this 5 minute. And we're gonna inverse this. You know, this is a nice little sell right here. Targeting that.
Order submitted.
Well, it's late, but I doubt we're gonna come back to that. Maybe this is just one we missed, man.
Order canceled.
just doesn't seem like we're gonna catch that, bro. Just seems like a super obvious draw to me, though. Like, seems like we're definitely just gonna be coming for those lows. Oh fuck, man. Oh. Bruh, it's like price action never fills these fair value gaps during New York session. Like ever. Like even right here, bro. Fair value gap never taps into it. Inverse fair value gap. I guess we tapped into this, bro. But fuck, man. Have that 1 minute on the S. Expecting hosing, posing. Alright, so on NQ and on ES, we're tapping into these fair value gaps. Starting to get a bullish reaction off of these fair value gaps. There's lower time frame SMT here, and like I said before, that we did take out previous day low on both. So anticipating a move higher would be nice, but on the flip side, I do also think that these higher time frame draws are the easiest to target right now. But just looking at how strong ES is compared to NQ, you know, it looks like we're going to try to, we're definitely going to inverse this, that fair value gap on ES that we didn't inverse on NQ just yet. But ES already took out these highs, so the next target for ES would be all the way up there. It's important to know that we still haven't done anything with this fair value gap just yet. So price is still has not given us a clear direction because we're respecting bullish and bearish order flow. But we did fill this fair value gap, so overall did fill this fair value gap on the 5 minute. We're respecting this right here as well. Wouldn't be surprised to see price want to take out these lows at least. See what we do here. See how I want to play this as well. back within this 1 minute right here. Ooh, choppy woppy. Starting to chop at this 1 minute right here. Starting to chop at this 1 minute. I'm waiting to see what we want to do with this gap right here. Whether we want to inverse this. If we inverse this, then I can get a better risk to reward on it by, you know, putting the interest in right here. It stops there, then targeting down there, and then our break-even point will be somewhere here. Because there's just this gap right here on ES that we're not breaking, and then also this right here. I'm definitely trying to see where price wants to go first. Got that breaker structure. Got the breaker structure, but yes, it's still just respecting. If we break these highs, right, like if we inverse this gap right here, then we're definitely gonna be getting in longs above this. I think ES would definitely be heading for these highs up here. But we're just not inversing this. I feel like we can't do anything until we show some direction here, you know what I'm saying? So it looks like NQ or ES is about to inverse this, so let's go ahead and do MES 2025. Let's turn these on. enter.
Order submitted. Order submitted. We're gonna take half off there. Take half off right there. And then stops to break even. Stops are definitely to break even right now. I'm just gonna let the rest of these run towards TP. So we're in ES right now. Excuse me, bro. Oh. So stops are break even. We're just waiting for these hourly highs, I believe. I think 5-minute highs or 15-minute highs. I don't even know. So micro E-mini.
just took half off there. Just decided to take half off at the break-even point and let the rest of it run. Nothing wrong with taking a little bit of profit. Definitely want to be aware that we need a winning day for payout, so definitely at least securing a winning day here.
Order filled.
Alright, just took profit on all the funded accounts. Just took profit on all the funded accounts just to secure my winning day. I think it's probably like $100 across each account. About 152 across each account. Already took about $160 worth of profit on personal as well, so just gonna let these do whatever they're gonna do. But stops are at break even. Stops are at break even here, so you guys will be able to look and see. Because for this, we're targeting these 30-minute highs. Targeting these 30-minute highs, and then TP2 will be right there. So this is our break-even point that we hit. Targeting these highs and then these highs. So we're gonna take half off once we get up there. So let's go ahead and set this alert. Let's go ahead and set this alert, and then we're gonna get ready to leave our house. I'm gonna get ready to leave our house because we gotta go. $6,477 is all the way up our. I do think we're gonna get stopped at break even though, so. If we get stopped at break even, that's fine. Like I said, we already took profit off the table. So yeah, we're gonna end everything right here. But you guys will definitely be able to look and see. I'm not moving my stop loss past break even. We're gonna hold until we get stopped out. So I'll catch y'all later, or tomorrow maybe, I don't know.